everybody. It's Rick Claus here at Microsoft Ignite. I just am sitting here and having a conversation with my new friend, Keith from Relativity.
Yep.
Nice to meet you, my friend.
Nice to meet you.
I understand that you delivered a session here at Microsoft tonight, but I want to first of all understand a little bit about what Relativity is and what your company does, my friend.
Yeah, so we're an unstructured data company in the legal space. And so when two parties sue each other, we go in, pull all the data in, we extract it all, we index it, and then we bring AI and other technologies to it to help people understand the story of their case.
So literally any type of sources that are coming in that would be involved that would have to be used as part of a discovery process.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, cell phone data, chat data, anything you can, video data, because if the court requires it, we have to be able to produce it and understand
Now,
it.
I can only imagine that is going to be massive in size and is only getting bigger because we're consuming and creating more and more data as we move on.
Yeah, I mean, our data volumes in the real world have exploded, and they have in the legal space as well. That's absolutely true, and the types of data as well.
Okay. Now, out of curiosity, like what sort of trends are you seeing in the industry that's kind of impacting this? Is it going to get better? Do you have a solution for us? Like
Oh, I mean, obviously with generative AI, reading the documents, it doesn't get sleepy, it doesn't miss stuff. And so it's like, that's coming for sure. And just the sheer amount of data. If you're on the defense, you want to look at every piece of data you can to find that piece of evidence that, protects you. So it's more data types, more analysis with AI, and it's just on and on and on.
Wow. Now, I understand you had delivered a session here in partnership with specifically about the new innovations going on in storage.
Yes.
Talk a little bit about some of the things you shared in that session, perhaps?
Oh, yeah. We're massive users of data and data storage, ADLS, petabytes and petabytes, like almost 200 petabytes under management total altogether. Not all of that in ADLS, but a lot. And so, yeah, I mean, with all the innovations, we need high speed when we're processing, we need AI, like, our customers ingesting large amounts of data for large cases. So like pretty much everything in there with regards to security, archive, the whole stack we use.
Any interesting problems that you've come across? The creation of the company, the evolution where you're using kind of storage right now, that sort of stuff that you've maybe could share how you came around those problems, just to see if they apply to some of our viewers.
Yeah, I mean, so like, look, we're moving to the cloud, and so we're having to lift and shift some of this data in.
Lots of space.
And so I mean, it's just really about thinking about how you deliver workloads at scale with AI as compared to today's world, because time to understanding the insights is important. So we're trying to figure out a way to shrink all of the time so that we can learn these things faster and faster. And so some of the big challenges are like, how do you go from a video file to something that you can look at so that you can understand who's talking and what the subject matter is? And do that in near real time. So like, tough challenges.
Yes. Any closing thoughts you wanted to share? Specifically, maybe recommendations for some folks?
No, I appreciate us being here. I mean, our motto is organize data, discover the truth, and act on it. And like, Microsoft helps us do that.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for joining for this quick little video, my friend.
Appreciate it.
And I hope you had a good time at Microsoft tonight. And I hope you join us for more sessions.